In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger business email to Outlook, a full guide for 2025. Whether you're managing your business communications or just streamlining your email setup, connecting your Hostinger email to Outlook can make your day-to-day processes smoother and more efficient. So let's dive into how you can set this up in just a few easy steps. First of all, head over to the Hostinger website. Here, you're going to log into your account and find the email section. Clicking on emails will bring you to all the email accounts that you have under your Hostinger domain. Now locate the specific business email you want to connect with Outlook and make sure to copy that email address. This is going to be crucial for our next steps. Once you have copied your email, go ahead and open Outlook. You can do this by heading to the Outlook website or opening the Outlook application on your computer if you're not already using it. Look for the settings option in Outlook. This is generally represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will unfold a menu with several settings options available. In these settings, you'll want to navigate to Forwarding and IMAP. This is usually under the Mail or Accounts section, depending on the version of Outlook you're using. Once there, you may need to sign in again to verify your identity, so have your Outlook credentials handy. Next, you will need to verify your email identity, which helps in ensuring your email is synchronized and properly set up. After verification, click on Manage or choose a primary alias to make your Hostinger email a recognized part of your Outlook account. Following this, click on Add Email, then select Add an existing email address. This is where you'll paste that Hostinger email address you copied earlier. As soon as you add the email, you're going to want to ensure this new alias is verified. After pasting and adding your email, click on Add Username. This connects the email to your Outlook account under a recognizable name, allowing you to send and receive emails seamlessly. Once this is done, you'll need to go through another verification step. This is a safeguard to confirm that the email address indeed belongs to you and is correctly associated with your Outlook account. Finally, click on Verify this alias to ensure everything is correctly set up. Completing this will let you know that your Hostinger email is now connected to your Outlook account. That's it. You've successfully connected your Hostinger business email to Outlook. Now your emails will be available on Outlook, making communication that much more efficient. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Have a great day.